Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome to another one of my videos for All to New. Today I'll be showing you how to create a really fun, colorful background using the cool Decade stamp set from All to New. This stamp set is great for creating fun and colorful backgrounds for your cards or layouts, and I thought this would work really well with a picture of my two kids. So sit back and enjoy. We all know All to New is really known for their floral stamps, but All to New also has some really fun, funky stamp sets that are great for creating fun, colorful backgrounds. And the newest one is called Cool Decades. It's got these really fun, whimsical shapes that are great for creating custom backgrounds for your own pattern paper. This stamp set is really fabulous and easy to use. I am using the Rainbow Prism Mini Cube inks and creating a variety of patterns using this rainbow pattern, and also I'll be using a little star shaped pattern as well. I'm just going to fill up my page with the different colors and making sure to go over the edges a little bit. This will just make the paper look really cohesive, like it were a real pattern paper that was printed and cut down to size. Here you can see me adding those fun, funky star shaped elements, and once I'm finished with the background I can start working on my layout. Because the layout is really colorful, I decided to keep it really simple with just a couple of elements, and I will be adding a little bit of colored cardstock along the way just to help that photo pop off the page. What's really fun about this set is that you can also use it to create custom little embellishments like those cute little clouds. I pulled out some of our gradient cardstock in different colors that matched the colors I used in the inks, and I'm going to create different rectangular shapes just to create some layers underneath the photo, and I just think it helps create a focal point. With those leftover pieces I'm going to create a second cluster in the top just to make everything really balanced. Once I've got that down, I can start working on my title. For my title I'm going to be using the Mega Greetings 3 stamp set, which has some fun large sentiments as well as smaller ones, and you can create really fun titles for your layouts but also for your cards. How do you create your custom backgrounds? Please do tell me in the comment section. Look at those fun, cute little clouds. I really think they finish off the layout. So here I'm going to add a couple of little sentiments, and then I'll pop on some enamel dots just to finish everything off. If you want to find out more about all the supplies used on this layout, please visit the Mixed Media blog, and you will find all the links to the products in the description box as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to subscribe to the All to New channel for more inspiration from all our designers, and I'll see you very, very soon. Stay safe, have a lovely day, and bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.